Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a YouTube banner on Canva. So first, it would be best if you get Canva Pro, but if not, you can still use Canva's free version as well. First, click on YouTube banner. If you don't see it, then type it in the search bar at the top. It will take you to this screen. For this example, I used this template. On the top left of the screen, if you click Design, it will show you different templates that you can customize. For this example, I'll type in YouTube banner. Here you will find all of the templates Canva has to offer. As an example, I'll show you that you can adjust any template to make it your own. As you can see on this template I clicked on, you can add your own pictures and your own wording. Okay, so I'll show you how to make your own YouTube banner from scratch. So now, on the top left of the screen, click Elements. Elements in Canva are design assets that users can add to their designs, such as photos, illustrations, graphics, and stickers. Users can arrange elements in their designs by changing their position and dimensions. Okay, so now you can also adjust the text by clicking on the text button on the top left of the screen. On the top center of the screen, you can adjust the size of your text by clicking on the plus or minus. You can also change the color by clicking this button. Click here to change the font of the text, then choose what font fits your design. To change the color of the whole background, click on the whole design, then click on the color wheel. On the left, click Uploads to add your own pictures to your design. Okay, so now, the most important part of your YouTube banner is adding your niche. Include your brand tagline or slogan, and a sneak peek into what viewers can expect from your channel. You can also include a call to action. A clear and specific call to action tells viewers what action to take after seeing the banner. Okay, now I'm basically done, but I wanted to add a few more touches, so I typed in elegant and added some things. And now you're done. Have fun on your content creation journey.